Well, here we are again. With the radiator and all that removed, we have an unobstructed view of the damage to the fiberglass down here, which honestly looks cosmetic, or it may have been repaired from the other side. Anyway, let me move the light. Zoom in here. So here we're starting on the right side. And it goes, oop, move my light. All the way there. And there's a very superficial crack through the middle. And then starts again there and extends all the way to in front of the washer fluid bottle. And that's it. Last look at this, because the next thing that's happening is the radiator and the fans and the condenser and the duct are all going in. And now we're all done. You can see there the place where the old OEM brackets were welded on. I drilled holes and installed riv nuts for new fasteners for the new stainless steel upper radiator brackets. The duct is installed, it fits. New fans, new fan shroud. The pigtails on these fans were a little long. They were hanging down below the shroud. So I made a little loop and I put a zip tie there so that the connectors are just hanging in air. And these are weather pack connectors that I installed to replace the OEM connectors here and the OEM style connectors right there. And here's my leaky automatic transmission cooler. Well, nothing's perfect. But when these fans are on, I can feel air getting sucked from the rock screen. Put my hand back here and there's just a nice strong breeze from these fans. And it's just gonna blow right all over this automatic transmission fluid cooler. So I couldn't be happier. And as for how the fans sound, when compared with the thunderous stock fans, or the thunderous stock style fans that were on my car, Sounds like a modern cooling fan. Which is exactly what they are. So far, so good. Next up is the sway bar. Horn brackets, ignore those for now. And I'm going to be working on the air conditioning. Since I replaced the condenser, I'm going to replace the receiver dryer and probably the orifice tube before I call this job done. But I'm really happy that for the first time in untold years, this car actually has a radiator duct. So with any luck, I'll be able to have adequate cooling at highway speeds, which had been a little problem for a while. That's it for now.